Have you ever wondered how you can create your own mobile app without any coding knowledge and without any investment? Yes, now using ChatGPT and AI, you can create an amazing mobile app in just a few clicks without any technical knowledge. And the best part is that you can monetize the app using Google AdMob. Today, I will share the step-by-step method of creating a mobile app using AI. So, without further ado, let's dive in. The first step of creating any app is to find a unique app idea. You take inspiration from the Play Store, review some of the apps, see the downloads, and then ratings. Once you find the app idea, move forward to the next step. Make the app. You may think that creating an app is so hard-working and lengthy process. It needs expertise and uses complex app builders. Now you can do it on your browser. So open your browser. Now visit www.flutlab.io. It is a web-based version of Flutter IDE. It's the best online place to create, debug, and build cross-platform projects. Most importantly, you can use it for free. First of all, we have to create an account. Once you are logged in, your interface will be like this. Now click on the Create Project button from here. We have to give a name to our project. For example, I want to create a currency exchange rate app where anyone can see the rates of various currencies. So, I am entering the app name and package name. Once done, click on the Create button. Now open the app. This is our Project Builder interface. To see the live preview, click on the Play button from here. Here you will find options like Web, Android, and even iOS. This time, I will keep it Web Emulator. It will take some time to build the app. Here is the output of our app. Right now our app looks like this. Hello World. Now we will convert this app into a currency app like Google Currency Converter. To do so, we need the code, and to generate the code, you can use ChatGPT and Claude Sonnet. As we know, GPT and Claude Sonnet both are very good at code writing. Which one should we use? Instead of that, I will use Root LLM and Playground by the Chat LLM team. Chat LLM is an LLM models hub, where you can use premium models like GPT-01 Preview, Claude Sonnet 3.5, Gork, Gemini 1.5 Flash, and more. Here you can generate images and videos also. And all of this is only for $10 per month. So, after coming to the Abacus AI homepage, click on the Chat LLM team from here, and then create an account. By the way, I will put all the links in the description. Once you are logged in, click on the drop-down menu from here, and then select the Root LLM model among all the models. This model uses the perfect model according to the need. Once the model is selected, come to the prompt box. Here under the prompt box, you will find several tools to create content. Today, I will use the Playground tool. This tool is for generating code and seeing the live preview. Alright, after selecting the Playground feature, we have to enter a prompt to write the precise code. The prompt should be detailed and ask for every logic. I already wrote a prompt. I am copying the prompt and pasting it in the prompt box. Don't worry, I will put the prompt in the description. Okay, after entering the prompt, hit the Enter button. Here, you can see that Root LLM chose Claude Sonnet to generate the code, and our code is generating. Once the process is completed, come to the Preview tab to see the live preview. Now you can test the app. You can see the app is working perfectly. However, if you think you want GPT to generate the code, you will find the options from here or can change the model from the top of the page. Alright, now imagine I want to add a calculator under the Converter app. So what do I need to do? Simply come to the prompt box and then type, add a basic calculator under the converter. You can see that it starts rewriting the code. And here it is, the code is ready, and the app is working perfectly. It's amazing. In this method, you can modify the app or any part of the app by entering simple text commands. Now there is a problem. We can't use this code directly on the FlutLab. That's why I am giving another command to make it compatible with FlutLab. Simply type and rewrite the app code so that I can use it to make an app using a Flutter IDE online tool called FlutLab. It will rewrite the code. Simply copy the code by clicking here. Now before entering the code into the main.dart file, we have to add an HTTP package. Otherwise, we might see an error. Installing it is very simple. For this, we will go to the commands here. Here, we will go to search and search for the package HTTP. Here is the package. Click on Auto Install. Once done, delete all the existing code from here and then paste the code generated by ChatLLM. Now, we will see if there is any error in this code. Click on Analyze here. If you face any errors here on this website, you have to click on the Fix My Error button so that all the errors in our code will be fixed. There is no error in the code, so now we will load it and see the output of our app. By loading it, whatever changes we have made in the code will be visible in the output here. For this, let's wait a little while our project is rebuilt. So, here is the output of our app. Here we have to enter the amount of currency. After this, we have to check its price. So I simply enter $10 here. After this, we will convert it to AUD. We will select AUD, and after this, click on Convert Currency. You will get to see the value in real time, and it is a correct value. And along with this, you can change other currencies here and check their value. The history will also be saved, showing which currency value you checked. And it gets updated daily because the value of currency keeps increasing or decreasing. So here you will get to see it in real time. So our app is ready. But if you want to improve it and add more feature functionalities, you can do that. Here, you can simply give the points. However, if I sit down to explain it here, it will become a very long video. However, if you want to know in depth about the no-code app making and how to monetize it, we can build a full course on it. Let me know in the comment section. Okay, now how can we install this app on our own mobile phone? To do that, first, we have to build the app as Android. Come to the Build button from here. You will find several options. Select the Android all from here. Once done, click on the Play button to build the app. Once the app building is completed, come to the Output tab from here. You will find three options. Get my APK, generate a QR code, and email the APK to a friend. I am downloading the app and then installing it on the BlueStack Android simulator. Once the app is installed, let's see how it works. And you can see the app is working perfectly. So, now you can create any kind of mobile app using AI. And ChatLLM Playground can be the best assistant for you. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience with making mobile apps with AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.